Hi guys, this is a after party clean with me. My daughter turned 19 on Sunday, and so she had some of her friends over and we just left the kitchen. They finished partying late, so I went ahead and straightened up the kitchen the next day. I was talking to my daughter right here, and I realized that my other arm wasn't through the shirt all the way, so you're gonna see later that I put my arm through the right way. So I just want to point that out in case anybody figures that out. So hi, this is a cleaning motivation. My name is Ivy. I am a wife and a mom of 4 older kids. I have 2 young adults and 2 teenagers. I have 2 in high school and 2 in college. So, just cleaning, and on my channel, I have cooking, cleaning, decorating, pretty much a variety channel. It's what this main channel is. I also have other channels, but this channel is for whatever I want to put on here. But the next few videos are going to be cleaning. I'm just going to tell you that. I've been doing a lot of cleaning and a lot of, I'm going to be doing a lot of cleaning, organizing, and decluttering. I was going to do all of that on Homemaking with This Mama, my other channel, but trying to get people to come over there, it's not working. So that's what I've been doing lately. I've been cleaning and organizing and decluttering. So stay tuned for more of these kind of videos. At the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you a recipe, a chicken recipe that I tried for dinner on this night. So yeah, my daughter's just in here talking to me about some stuff, and you see her scratching. She has severe eczema, so that is why. That's another thing in case anybody's wondering. So I'm just using whatever. I think that was the Dollar Tree degreaser. And so if you need some cleaning motivation, stay tuned.
I remember the day when we started talking. We were kids and I knocked down all of your marbles, but you did not seem to mind at all. We took our bikes to the lake after school each day and skipped many stones from the beach. And one thing you said was, listen, I will have your back always. And now we're grown up, I don't really see you enough. There's too much to be done. Yeah, it's no fun. But even if we're far apart, I know where we belong. Haven't changed a bit in my heart. Your words have never been wrong. You are my own safety zone. You're solid like a granite stone. It came very sudden the day when we moved away from what had been our home since forever. I was scared then, so scared that I would lose you. But you called me up right after I touched the ground. You wanted to hear that I got there all safe and sound, and you said, I know we're gonna stay the same. And now we're grown up, I don't really see you enough. There's too much to be done. Yeah, it's no fun. But even if we're far apart, I know where we belong. Haven't changed a bit in my heart. Your words have never been wrong. You are my own safety zone. what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do.
So right here I am getting ready to put right here I am using the degreaser from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using the degreaser from Method on my stove. I was actually looking for it, I couldn't find it, and it was sitting right there in plain sight. So I'm cleaning the stove off with the Method cleaner, and then I'm going to take some eucalyptus oil to diffuse in my diffuser, because people always ask me what I'm putting in my diffuser. So right now I'm putting eucalyptus in there, and also you will see me light my little wax burner thingy. In there's some scentsy, I can't remember what the scent is. My sister-in-law gave it to me, but it smells really, really good. So that's what's in the burner. So now I'm going to clean up the catch-all, because this is the catch-all. This thing, my kitchen table, is always a catch-all. Real life stuff, this is what my kitchen table looks like. So I'm just cleaning this off like normal.
Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do.
So I'm using the Method wood cleaner in the almond scent, and I'm just cleaning my table off. So let me know down in the comments if you clean when something is bothering you, because something is really bothering me right now. I'm going to talk about it. But there's been, I told you guys in a couple of videos a while ago that there's been a lot of things that have been going on in my family, in our lives and everything. And so just recently I have just needed to clean to get stuff off of my mind. So that's why I told you you're gonna see a lot of cleaning videos popping up on my channel. You may even see some back to back, like you might see some other than Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, because this is how I like to deal with stuff, by cleaning and decluttering and all that good stuff. So let me know in the comments if you clean when you're emotional, because that's what I do a lot of the time. So now I'm sweeping. I didn't mop on this day because I didn't really think I needed to mop. I had just mopped the other day, so I didn't do it on this day. So right here I'm trying the walnut scrubbing sponges from Grove for the first time, and the person that I have on my phone today is my good friend Creating the Perfect Balance, and so I'm catching up on her videos. I actually put this up on my phone, and then I let her video run while I was doing some other things in the living room. So when I go into the living room and start doing laundry, folding clothes, I put her up on the big screen, and I was folding clothes while she was folding clothes. So that is who I am watching today.
Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
Okay, so I am now going to tell you about this recipe that I tried for dinner. It's Parmesan crusted chicken oven baked. So what I did was take some Parmesan, took some complete seasoning, some meat tenderizers, some parsley, some oregano. What else did I put in here? I think I put lemon pepper, Parmesan cheese, and some garlic herb. And what you do is you're just gonna coat your chicken with this. It probably would have been easier if you just put the Parmesan on there and everything else, but I just used it like a regular what is it called? Oh my gosh, my husband's making me laugh. Okay, I just coated the chicken with the Parmesan. It's like breadcrumbs almost, what I'm doing here. So I got this off of Pinterest. I wanted to try something different tonight and we all loved it. I did not do a whole cooking section in the end of this video.
I'm terrified that you don't feel the same way as I do, but there's something about you and I want it all. Instead I could get you off my mind, but to tell the truth I don't know how. Girl, you got me
coming to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go check out my friend Creating the Perfect Balance. She has some awesome cleaning motivation, organizing and decluttering videos also. And I appreciate each and every one of you watching my videos, supporting me, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!